guys, today I want to show you how I do my makeup, my day makeup with a bit of a glow. I have a secret weapon for that one, and it's this one. I use a hydrating face serum by Skin Science. I don't know how makeup artists do it, but yeah, I don't know if it's, there you go, I think you can see it there. And I love oils. You can use any kind of oils. If you're, you know, good oils that won't make you break out. So I rub and I go upwards. Okay, so that's my step number one. So step number two, I will use a primer, water-based. I use Smashbox Photo Finish. Let that dry a little bit. Ooh. While I let that dry, I can start with my eyebrows. I use Anastasia, the brown definer. So I would go like this, and then go upwards like that. Just to like fill it in a little bit. Yeah. Fill all the gaps. And then I will brush upwards. Okay. And you can see now my skin is a bit more dry. It's a lot drier. And already looking a little glowy, which is what we want. Okay, so step number three, I think, I would put a concealer. Concealer, I use my hands. I just use my fingers. I find them a lot quicker. And that way I can correct faster. And then I will put it on top of my eyelid as well. Okay, then put a little foundation just to even everything out. I will wet it a little bit, just a little bit, so it can spread easily. And it's not a heavy foundation. I use Makeup Forever high definition. And then just blend, 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 blend. Get all those imperfections. Alright, so I'll do a little bit of pink on my cheeks. I use Tarte. The Party. Just a little pink. Cheeks here and there. Just a little bit. Yeah, there. Then my eyes, I always use a curler. And for eyeshadow, remember you put a little bit of concealer here. Yeah. So for eyeshadow, I use it like a natural color, like a natural rose color, and it's called Perky by MAC. And ooh, I need a brush. And then just a little bit. It's such a nice color. It's so light. It's just like the perfect day color. There. All you need is just a little bit. Just a little bit. See? Just a little color. Just a natural little color. Okay? And I'll curl my eyelashes again. And then I use Bobbi Brown. This is the first one will make you eyelashes thicker. Okay. And then I put the other one, the second one, for a more dramatic. Oh, just a little bit. They can get really, really thick real fast. Just a little bit. I like to do the bottom, the top and the bottom eyelash. So it just opens out my eye a little bit more. And there you have it. Just like a really natural. And then for an extra highlight, I will use Milk. The highlighter. What do you call it? Mars. I like it. I like it. It doesn't have that many tones. Just, you know, it just adds a little bit of glow. Just a little bit. It's just naturally blends in during the day, and it's not harsh. Doesn't give you that wet kind of look. It just blends in with your skin really well. And there you have it. Oh, and for my lips, I use the Dior Lip Maximum Collagen. Just to, I don't have, you know, I have small lips, but I like using this one, so it's a little bit tingling sensation. Just got a light pink tint. And for my hair, I will use a little bit of argan oil. Get a little bit, if not olive oil, will do. Do it on the tips, at the bottom. And voila! I'm ready for the day. Just easy, natural day makeup with a little bit of a glow. Alright, have a great day. Thank you for watching.